Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to fly 3 of the Voyage Aeronautics drones. We have the VA-1000, the VA-2080, and the VA-2140. We'll fly all 3 of them and show you how they do, okay? Stay with us and see how they are. I think we're going to do a little flying now. First thing we're going to do is speed control. It comes on in 1, which is slow. Click it once. Hear that? It went to 2, which is medium. 3, which is fast. But if you hold it down, you go into training mode. Listen. Now that's training mode, okay? Now we're ready to go. Auto launch button right here. Now you want to land it, hit your auto launch button again, and it'll land. See there? All right. Let's do that again. We're going to take some photos this time. Take a photo, press that button right there once. Press it down once. If you want to take a video, press it down and hold it for a couple seconds. When you're through, press it again, it'll stop, okay? Launch. Now you'll make it turn to the left. See, look at it, rotates. Well, that crashed. There's a picture. Video. See if we can get us a video here. Whoop. Press it again. I think it's time to do a little landing. Hit your auto launch. And it landed. Alright. Let's see if we can get it to do a flip here. Remember right there is the stunt button, okay? See it? Flip that. Tell this which direction you want it to flip. Alright, here we go for a flip. What do you say? There we go. Flips and it landed. Alright, remember the start-stop button on the drone? Right there on the front. See it? Push it down and hold it for a couple seconds. See the lights come on? Flashing. Turn on your transmitter right here. Press this up, down. And now I think we're ready to fly. Let's see what we can do here. Push the automatic launch right there. Whoa, whoa. Well, I didn't do too good, did I? If you want to go into the beginner mode, right here on top it says Stunt Speed. Hold down that speed button for a couple seconds and listen. That says it's in the beginner mode. Automatic launch. If you have trouble with it moving to the right and the left, you got trim controls here. Moves to the right, move it, click to the left. Moves forward and back, click the other way. Okay, to do an auto launch, you push the auto launch button right there. Then you can want to land it, push it again. See there? You remember I showed you how to put it in the trainer mode by holding that speed button down till it beeps. If you hold it down again till it beeps, it'll turn that trainer mode off. But I'm still trying to get it to turn flips. It says press that stunt button and then press a direction and it'll turn flip in that direction, but I can't get it to do it. Maybe I'm not doing something right. If some of y'all know how to do this, let me know. Here's the land. Anyhow, you see how it's done. You want to turn it off? The on-off button right there on the rear of it. Hold that down for a couple seconds and the lights will go off. They're off. Turn your transmitter off. Like that. And there you are. Here's another little thing. This stick to the left will make it spin to the left. Makes it spin to the right. If you want to bank to the left, this one. Want to bank to the right, that one. Forward and back, of course. Alright, let's do the launch. Auto launch, see it? Look at that. Back, forward, spin, see there? Spin, down a little bit. Alright, if you get ready to land, push your button again. See it land it for you? Alright. I think we're going to go into the speed mode 2, see if we can do a flip here, okay? Right there. Alright, now, launch it. Alright, push the button. Look at that. Whoa! Let's do that again. What do you say? Push the button. That's a pretty nice little item here. It'll just hover right there for you too. Look at that. Okay? I don't have my doing anything to the controls. It just hovers. Alright, land it. Alright. That was in control speed 2. Now you can't do flips in training or speed 1, okay? Well, let's launch this again. Let me show you something else. Let's land this, okay? If you want to fly manual, take both sticks down to the right, down to the left. Hear it click. Now you're in manual. Look at here. Alright. You want to land it, just turn it down and it lands. See there? Okay, we're out of manual now. There we go. I guess when you landed it, you're out of manual. All right, land it. All right. Pretty nice little drone. I like that. Has a hover and various speeds, a training mode, and auto land, auto launch. All right, when you're through flying, your on-off button is right there. Just hold it down. See how it goes off? There's your power button on your transmitter. It's off. You're ready to go. Alright, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss it. You got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist called Drones, okay? Got a lot more of them, but this is a really nice one. It's a small one. It flies very easily, okay? Okay, check out our description. You'll see where these are for sale on Amazon. Go check them out. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Check the description below. There'll be links to all three of these where we show you, we unbox them, put them, get them all together, and show you how to fly them.